guys, I'm Mel. I'm the esthetician here in Oak Creek, and I'm just gonna go over my basic skincare routine that I would do at home because it is important to take care of your skin not only when you come in for facials but also in between facials, just like you wouldn't go to the dentist and not brush your teeth in between cleanings. So I'm just gonna briefly go over a couple steps that I would do at home. So first, I'm going to use the gentle makeup remover to remove my makeup. All you need to do is put a little bit on a cotton square like this. It comes right off. And I have sensitive skin, so this is good for sensitive skin too. Okay, so after you use the makeup remover, you can go ahead and cleanse. So I'm using the conditioning milk cleanser, and I have dry and sensitive skin, so I find that this is good for both. It really helps to condition dry skin and helps to reduce flakiness. So just get your hands a little wet. Just a small amount is good. And it smells great too. So I just rinsed my face off, and now I have fresh skin. I just massage the cleanser on for about 30 seconds in circular motions, and then just rinse it off with a warm towel. So now I'm gonna exfoliate. So I have the brightening polish to exfoliate. All you need is that much, think pea size. And you can use this about 2 times a week, unless your skin is super sensitive, then maybe a little less. Spread it evenly onto both hands and massage into your skin. Massage it all over, and then you can let this sit on your skin for maybe about 10 minutes. It helps to slough off the dead skin, and it's brightening polish, so it will also give you a really nice bright face, bright clean face. So I just rinsed off the brightening polish, and I rubbed it into my skin for about a minute or 2, and then let it sit for about 10, and then wash it off with another warm towel. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use a toner. So with my sensitive skin, I use the Calming Flower Mist by Glow. It really helps to reduce redness and irritation. So as you can see, my face is probably red from scrubbing. So you just need a couple sprays onto a cotton square. And with sensitive skin, it's better to press in your toner. So toner helps to balance out the skin's pH after you cleanse the skin and strip it of its normal pH. So you just want to replenish that, and it really helps to finish cleaning, and it helps to calm down irritation. So just press it in all over. So after toning, I'm gonna go ahead and use my serum. So today I'm using Daily Hydration. It's really good for pretty much all skin types. It really helps to lock in moisture. I like it because my skin gets really dry and sometimes can be a little flaky. So just take the dropper, and again, just use another pea-size amount. Spread it onto both hands, and then press it into your skin, all over. My skin is so dry that it will literally just soak into the skin and it drinks up the serum. Once you feel like it's all pressed in, you can go ahead and take your moisturizer. So I'm using the restorative cream. It's also really good for dry skin. So just another little bit, massage it in, and press it in. It's always really good to press in your products so that your skin gets the full effect of them. All right, and that's it. That's my quick skincare routine that I would do at night. It's really great to do this at home before, between facials, so that you don't just leave it up to your esthetician to do all the work. You do have to do a little bit of homework. So this is my skincare routine. So come in and do a free consultation with me, and I will help you pick out products that are right for your skin.